किसी के तरफ दिल झुकने लगे,
आँखों आँखों में
बात आकर जुबां पर रुकने लगे, आँखों आँखों में इकरार होने लगे। बोल दो कि तुम्हें प्यार होने लगे, होने लगे, प्यार होने लगे। प्यार तो
होना ही था,
प्यार तो होना ही था। Hello and welcome to Saranya's Travel Vlogs. So today we are heading to say aloud.
New Orleans.
We are driving to New Orleans from Atlanta. It's about, how long of a drive is it?
6.5.
Is it 6.5 or 7 hours?
Almost 7.
So yeah, it's going to be about 6.5 or 7-ish hours. Are we planning to take any stops on the way?
Yeah, probably a coffee stop.
Just coffee?
Maybe a lunch break.
So we might take a lunch break, and we've carried lunch with us. So are you gonna eat that home brought lunch, or are you gonna get a restaurant? Either way, we are probably gonna take a lunch break and a coffee break. So the store that we were supposed to pick up the coffee from was closed, as a result of which we had to rely on the one and only Starbucks. So we just picked up a few drinks, water, and here we are on the road again. So we got back on the road. As you've probably already seen, we are driving towards New Orleans. We got back on the road from our short coffee break, where we took some coffee, got some coffee and lunch. And the drive to New Orleans from Atlanta is about 7.5-ish hours. And here we see the first parts of the city of New Orleans. We reached there at about, I think, 7 in the evening. As you can see, the streets are really well lit up. This is actually Canal Street, one of the main streets in New Orleans. And we will be talking a lot more about the city and its streets in the later videos. But here we are, finally excited after a long, exhausting drive. So after a long drive, we are finally here in New Orleans. So we are really tired and hungry, so we'll be going first of all for dinner, and that's the beginning of the downtown. So we had been watching this chef who's a master chef and wanted to dine at his restaurant. His name is, I think, Johnny Sanchez. So we'll be walking towards his restaurant.
Dinner? Johnny Sanchez.
Why are we having dinner?
Because he was a master chef. Judge.
So yeah, he was a master chef in MasterChef America, and we've ever since we watched that show, we've wanted to like have dinner or something at his restaurant. So we are walking towards Johnny Sanchez right now. That's what the name of his restaurant is. It's going. Thank you. Unfortunately, we found out that it was pretty early in the evening, but since it was Christmas Eve, they were closed because the kitchen was closed. So it's very common here for kitchens to be closed earlier than usual. So since they were closed, we will basically try like another restaurant, which is called Copper Wine, right across from the street. And Copper Wine is very pretty. As you can see, there's a cute little garden outside, and we went inside. We asked for a table for two. It's very common here, if they do not have enough tables or if they have too many reservations, they will give you a spot at the bar where the menu is the same. You just have to be seated at the bar. So we sat ourselves at the bar and started ordering for food because we were really hungry. We also got ourselves some drinks because if you see the place, how can you not have a drink? One of the first things that we ordered was a flatbread. So a flatbread is very much like a pizza, but not really so. So we did a cheers to this year because it's almost the end of the year, 24th December. And the flatbread was really yum because it was drizzled with honey, figs and olives. The next thing on our entree list was this yummy mushroom pasta with poached egg, which was really amazing to taste. And the other thing that I ordered was this pecan crusted fish. The next thing we started doing was trying to find our hotel. As you can see, this doesn't look like the US at all. Well, this is the French Quarter of New Orleans. It reminds me a lot about my city, Calcutta. So the drive also felt very similar. So we'll be taking a way more closer look at the French Quarter, and that is when I'm going to discuss why this place looks like this. And our hotel was really an old, French style house or Creole house that is turned into a hotel right now. So we basically got that because we wanted to get that vibe of staying in an old worn out house, but it was not worn out. It's definitely remodeled to make it look like a hotel. So yeah, this is basically the house where we are gonna stay. So we are finally here. This is actually the pathway. The French Quarter is a characteristic part of New Orleans. The houses are French style and have been an important part of New Orleans' history because New Orleans was first invaded by the French and the Spanish, and so there's a lot of influence of that culture. And that's very much like Calcutta. The streets are not like American streets, they're like alleys. The houses are small, so it'll be a great experience, a new experience staying here. So I'm gonna show you our hotel next, so be with me. This is the entrance. So it's a two-storied house. As you can see, this is the first story, so it's kind of like a living space, and this is common. They have 2 or 3 rooms, I think, upstairs. So this is common to everybody. There's a small microwave here. It's a wooden house, so there's a very steep staircase. What I found the most interesting about the house is, as we start walking upstairs, you'll realize that it's not like American comfortable hotels. You have to drag your suitcase upstairs. Also very tastefully decorated. They had nice art pieces. This is the room. The rooms are named. So one is called Cowboy, I think the other is called Sweet Memories, and ours was called a plantation, and we'll soon understand the significance of the name of the room in the later videos. But the room is small. That's the interesting bit. It's very small, but yeah, I mean, did its role. Interesting stay basically. So yeah, very scantily decorated. Anyway, so that's the end of the day for us, and thank you guys so much for watching, and we'll have wonderful videos of the city of New Orleans coming up. So do stay with us and be with Saranya's travel vlogs. Thank you.